you feeling? Because you took quite a battering out there today.
Yeah, I'm alright, yeah. But, yeah, it is what it is. But the main thing is we got the 3 points, so I'm happy.
And of course, your goal made the difference. Talk it through. You've probably scored better goals, it's fair to say.
Yeah, you could say that, but, you know, I always say a goal's a goal, no matter how they go in. So it was, like I just said then, it was all about the 3 points, and, you know, I'll take the goal as a personal.
I guess for you, I know you don't want to complain, but it feels like all you've got to do is be on the pitch, and you have a hard time from the referees. Is it frustrating as a player?
It is, yeah, because I feel like no matter what I do or how I conduct myself on the pitch, I kind of not get penalised for it, but it's for me it's about adapting, and it's just trying to get these yellows and try draw fouls, but you know it is hard. So.
And on the positive side of things are still very much in your own hands going into the last 2 games now.
Yeah, definitely, it's all in our own hands. So we've got 2 big games left, and you know we'll leave it all out on the pitch and see what happens.
Kieffer, diolch yn fawr. Thank you.